Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. In this video I share with you how to make beaded bag handle. As you can see, both this long one and the handle one. All right, I recommend you don't skip so you don't miss any part of this tutorial. Now we are going to fix the handle. All right, so to fix our handle, we cut a new fire line, and I'm going to pass my line through this middle bead right here. We are working through the middle bead. We have three counts. All right, we have three counts, so we are working through the middle one. So I pass my line through this middle bead right here. Okay, make sure your line are on equal lengths. Make sure you fix it to be on equal length. So in my right hand line, I'm going to insert 3 beads. And then cross with my left hand line and pull it down. Once that is done, I'm going to insert my left hand line into the next bead right here. So in my right hand line, I'm going to insert 2 beads also. Then cross with the left hand line and pull. Also, I'm going to insert my left hand line into this bead right here. Into this bead right here. So in my right hand line, I'm going to insert 2 beads also. And cross with my left hand line. Then pull it. So this is what we have, as you can see. So we have just one more to cover this particular place. So what I'm going to do is this left hand line, I'm going to pass it into this bead right here, and this one, the side one, this bead, this one and the middle right here, and this bead. All right, so this is what we have. So I'm going to pick one bead. I pick one bead, insert it into any of the line, and then cross. Then pull it down. So this is what we have. So once that is done, I'm going to repeat the same process. In my right hand line, I'm going to insert 3 beads. So once that is done, my left hand line, I'm going to insert it into this bead right here. All right, this is it. Into this bead right here. So in my right hand line, I'm going to insert 2 beads. Then cross my left hand line in it. Then pull. My left hand line is going into this next bead right here. In my right hand line, I'm going to insert 2 beads right here. So this is what we have. My left hand line is going into this bead and this bead right here, these two beads, this and this. All right, so I've gotten to the length that I want. All right, so depending on how high you want your handle to be, so this is what I want. Now we are going to fix this part to the bag. All right, so to do that, this is my line. All right, make sure you get the exact place where this place is standing. All right, so this is the point where I'm going to fix the handle. All right, so in my left hand line, I'm going to insert one bead into my left hand line like so, and I'm going to pass this left hand line out from this bead. This is where I'm fixing my handle. All right, so the left hand line is coming out from this bead right here. Okay, just make sure you are on the right point. All right, so I'm going to, after inserting one bead, I'm going to pass my line through this bead. All right, this bead right here. So once that is done, the next thing I'm going to do is to insert one bead into any of the line, and I'm going to cross it with a second, with my right hand line, just like so. And I'm going to pull it. Make sure you pull it so tight. All right, so right now I'm going to pass my right hand line into this bead right here. All right, as it is, my right hand line is going into the next bead right there. So once I pass my right hand line into the bead there, my left hand line also, I'm going to pass it through this bead right here, as you can see. Okay, so once that is done, as you can see, I'm going to insert one bead into any of the line. All right, and then cross it with the other line, just like so, and pull it down. Pull it so tight. All right, so this is what we have, you can see. So now the next thing, my right hand line is going into this bead right here, the next bead right here. Okay, and also my left hand line is going right into this bead here. Okay, now I'm going to cross one bead in both line. All right, pick one bead, insert it in any of the line, and then cross, then pull it so tight. Okay, so you can see now we are almost done. So pull it so tight. All right, and this is what we have. We had done fixing the handle. All right, so all we are going to do now is pull it tight. I'm going to pass my line through the beads. All right, and make sure both lines are meeting in a particular point, and I'm going to knot. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pass my line through this bead right here. Just be careful while doing this. So I work my line through that part. Okay, and also I'm going to work my second line through this bead so that both lines can meet at a particular point. Okay, so this is it. So I pull it so tight, all right? Pull it so tight and then knot it. So I'm going to knot it now. You know, this is the part that is holding the bag, all right? So you have to be very, very careful with it. You see that? So when fixing it, make sure you check the points, make sure they are on equal parts, all right? So this is what we have. So now I'm just going to pass my line through some bead in order to secure where we knot, all right? So I'm going to work the line through some beads and cut it out, okay? So guys, I'm just going to fix the long handle. I want it to have a long hand, all right? If you don't want to hold it here, you can just put it on your shoulder. So in this part, we have 3 beads right here. So I pass my line through the middle bead right here. Now as I pass my line through the middle bead, make sure you have equal length, all right? So I pick 3 beads. I'm going to insert one on the right, one on the left, and I'm going to cross it. I'm going to cross both lines in this colored bead like so, and I'm going to pull it like so. So the colored one is going to be in the middle of the yellow bead. I repeat, I pick 3 beads, one on the right, the yellow one on the left, and I'm going to cross both lines in this colored bead, all right, just like so, and I pull it down. So once we pull it down, you can see this is how it is looking like, all right? I repeat it again. I pick 3 beads, 2 yellow, 1 colored one on the right, one on the left, and I'm going to cross both lines in this colored bead like so, and pull it down. So this is what we have, as you can see. So we continue this process. So guys, now that we have matched to the length that we want, all right, so this is the length. Make sure it is on a straight line, not bend, all right? So this is the straight line of mine. So now I'm going to fix it on this bag, okay? Now to fix it, this is the last part. I insert one on the right, one on the left, all right? So now I'm going to cross this line in this middle bead right here. This 3 bead, the middle one, okay? So I'm going to pass my line through this bead, yeah, and also the second one. This one also is going right there, like we are crossing, okay, just the way we have been crossing. So I cross both lines in this bead, and I'm going to pull it. So once I pull it, this is what we have, okay? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to work these 2 lines through some beads, all right, and knot it. That is just it. It is as simple as that, and we are done, all right? So thank you all for watching my video from the beginning to the end. God bless you real good. See how beautiful it looks, all right? So I will appreciate your thumbs up and your comment. Share if you can. It will definitely help this channel. God bless you, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay cool and stay blessed. Bye.